Day one of discovering cool and useful websites that can actually make your daily life easier. Well, so today's pick is a super handy site called myfridgefood.com. Just head over to Google and search myfridgefood. It should be the first link that pops up. Once you're on the site, you'll see a list of ingredients. Go ahead and tick off whatever you already have in your fridge or kitchen. Then hit Find Recipes and boom, the site gives you a bunch of meal ideas based on what you already own. No need to run to the store. It even shows you how long it'll take to cook and if you're missing any ingredients. That's pretty helpful. You can bookmark your favorite recipes too, and when you click on one, just wait for a moment. You'll get the full instructions plus nutritional info like calories, protein, fat, and more. Also, don't forget to check out the tips section or try their decider tool if you're feeling a bit lazy or indecisive. We've all been there. This is honestly a great tool for quick, no-stress meals. The link's in the description. Give it a shot and let me know what recipe you found. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more cool website discoveries. See you in the next one.